Bye, sir. Sir. Bye, sir. Happy to see you. Onagasi Maya yo. Onagasi Maya yo.
The governor, the next governor, the awaiting governor of the state, and the former governor, and the former national chairman, former Labour leader, was on his way here. We made so okay, so no. Now we go to Wawon, everywhere.
Our having a very man, having Bama, our Ottawa, Mary. Unica bo ka nyiri ma wa yoka ne e ba wa ka mulia me nyiri ma ba wa me na we yi me e trouble hala ni ba wa si la we kui America bo wa da geri so don ni amagia ma na speed pe ma we se ma na ba na we yani wa ruga me do ya akunya kwa. And I say, Mana, I'm a little town. I'm going back one. So, la work with you. Double. Menokwana, Oteme, Loki Maswen, Oteni me bounce, I give a yam. Era America is up, man. Ogedo. Egbe, Yase, no, Ekiri. And he could do with you. Emase, Emariba. The governorship candidate OAPC and now okay now we are team because we don't know one of the few places now why are you do or you know so me keke the governor Obaseki or wari resina. Yes, no, I have my va a year to money. Matake, my was when you went away, a tag binna, it is a look where we've been now. There, but if no concern over your ban, over your ban, no massive, but on a move. Magwe, our team are one. Imana ya gbe àwọn àbá ẹ̀nà bá rí ọba nọ̀rọ̀ sí gbé nínú ẹgbẹ̀rà dè ní àwọn òdò ẹ̀nà máa wọ́n ní ọ̀pá ọmọ dè ní àwọn òwẹ̀ ọ̀bíà south west ẹ̀nà máa wọ́n ní ọ̀pá ní àwọn in fact èmi kéré ní àbí ẹ̀nà pé close ẹ̀ mú ebè ìgbọ́dẹ̀ àkè college of agriculture ẹ̀ close ẹ̀ yàrá ike kí adolo yà close ẹ̀ yàrá ike usen yàrá mi yà náà ìwé wà ní gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì máa ẹ̀ gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì ọ̀wẹ́ third fund federal government APC federal government ọ̀wẹ́ yàrá so anything wẹ̀ hàn mí ẹ̀ náà wọ̀ fíà yàrá wọ́n ṣọ́mọ̀ lọ́wẹ́ ukpo ni màá láàárín esi lóko àbí lóko ní àárín ẹ̀ ọ̀básà. Don't know where Est-ce que les mamiens ni amour de l'ouvrier? Ah ouais, il y a un jeu. Aïe, bon, il va à ma bon. On m'a méré, on m'a méré. On doit le payer, on doit le payer. Elle est ok, non, et oui, non, on a tapé. On a oublié tout. On nous donne les dos. C'est mon nom, oublié tout. If not always that, you can show more than that stop. You come on a bit, up with everybody. But they know the time we work. We'll be working. Omoto. Omona abeti gion. Omono we gualo. Na fi wili aredo. Na miere. A ali local government ilopa. Abi tabi yes. Ko wa gini ga ni Abudu. Me Abudu Igbo Bazuwa. No local government headquarters. You know very well. You know very well at all. So every man, you don't introduce a simple agenda, man. Agenda now of COVID security. Even security problem area now. My belief is that illegal development level. Okay, now make sure good security now. So the mama who now they go the police or back, even the vigilante. Who man do clean and every month they go here. And I have they go here. I mean, Rima, no can here. Or have it selected. Upo no my upo na me ha wash away. Upo no ha last. Amen. Hospital. Upa. In the year. The man make a manpower development. A manpower development. Or you make a manpower government. You have a school Boruse, which is the Polytechnic today. Again, many are government in Manamo. Not trainable. Mawe reopen the College of Agriculture because every government today they encourage our Greek. And okay, now we encourage our people so that yeah, get you money. The government will reopen here. They don't set up a farms all over the place. Unfortunately, I will be on it. Even the school of nursing and midwifery in Loreto. Here the railway boom. Here the one how we well, a nurse, not a nursing. You need here. No, Jemu. What's it? I want to hear about all the living winner. My amigo, my material, you want a buggy map in Nigeria. He said, about dog me. A school in here, but in the public-private partnership. Public-private partnership. The only way now to improve economy manner. Government or partner with businesses to ensure that here the manner. And every bumper and I need business, even the ones here, they supporting the Marina. By the grace of God, through this public-private partnership, you will see more investment in the door. Leadership, by example, is talking about transparency, accountability, respect for traditional institutions. If you remember now, if you are here, you are married, you are little man. They are not going to team up. Okay, we have a debate when the pastor of a simple agenda will debate. Aguale a governor. No, you know, or you know, or you in the yase. I won't buy a Iruta, agene begei. Agene Oshomole na Radioba. Okire government house. Regularly awe niki yan ariba. Ami niki no leba o ma pa. Nu na mi ebe okiki. Hospital la wa. Awe ni mele le ki e. Mo je bi an ki e. Mo be bi so la. Egbu yi ni magwalo. Òun ló gèlè yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ abẹ́rẹ́mọ́láke ní agbáwo ẹ̀wò ọ̀kẹ́ nàbẹ́ agbáwo yẹn ní abẹ́kẹ́ náà agbáwo ẹ̀wò ẹ̀tú sàlóbuwa iná yà má dẹ̀gbẹ́ yà wẹ̀. The last one oil employment and empowerment. Abi mama ọ̀kẹ́ náà gbálẹ̀ mú nàríyà ẹ̀yìn náà wà á kọ́ndẹ́mìyà tíyàn ọ̀ṣì tíyàn agbèrò tíyàn lọ́nà. Ugari unia, wali kwalonia, tusalogwa, abali mwenaviaji. Anari kuori ma iku, malo pegebe, ikwetu ya wamwina. Wali 10,000 euro lekbe adahwe, oton nene to 30,000.
Adahwedo!
So I maaka abo empower ya, maari unia, ya meki na ya adweki. Because all money ya, owe ya money. If family, so every man, he man and leva, and it is a look at man leva. Oh, monoga, every year. So, are I'm very, I'm on your having a copy of this simple agenda. Averi mani be mujasi, ebe ni ale ikwale ni kini na rini ya. Eri tabu. Iya se atonte. Erima, abe yebo etu wokere. Dr. Showman, where's Cesar?
Thank you. Our highly respected ESL Fudu, very parish chiefs, elders, and youth. I am very, very grateful and humbled by the very, very warm courtesies you extended to us in coming to welcome us to your palace. The honor you have extended to us, may God magnify yours millionfold. And order you as the ESA of this great community. May you witness more and more progress. Because the joy of a father is to see the children around him, the families around him being prosperous. May God use Pastor Eze Yamu as the next governor to empower this to witness more great things that will be created to ESL. On my personal, I want to thank you. I apologize. I was scheduled to visit you last week, about a week ago, exactly a week today. And unfortunately, we had an accident. But thank God I'm here. I'm fine. Even though we lost two policemen. I have my very fond memories of my relationship with I do remember, if my memory is not I think you did send me some gifts after we completed the upper Siluku to make traveling to Ovia north and west very easier. So for me, it's I feel good being able to come back here and meet you in health, in peace, and in harmony. As I've said elsewhere, I came here 4 years ago with Obaseki, and the promise was simple. He will continue with everything education, healthcare, road infrastructure. And I'm very happy that in the Comrade Pastor's manifesto, all of those things are detailed here in black and white. The difference now is that Obaseki made me to do the talking. So if now ask him, you promised this, even the 200,000 job he promised, it's not written anywhere. He just said it. And today it is not there. So I believe the God that guided by the special grace of God using you as the instrument to make Pastor the next governor. That God that got him to look around the state, having lived here all his life, to identify the critical issues of development across the spectrum and put it down in a coherent manner. So that, because sometimes now I can speak from experience. You know, you can mean so well the day when you are campaigning, you promise this. As soon as you are sworn in, courtesy call start. People want to come and pay courtesy call, the National Assembly members, courtesy call, party chairman, courtesy call, former deputy governor, courtesy call. Then you forget the promise. But by writing it down, I'm sure in a quiet moment he will reflect. That's okay. Where do I start? Where? And by the grace of God, he will make a huge difference. Amen. We used to make this joke, but it is not a joke. It's actually our prayers. That if you look at me, you look at him, you can see God in his infinite powers. Give him so much height. He also gave me small height. Even by himself, he said, if me who I need ladder to touch the ceiling can do what I've done, he who can stand up and touch the ceiling, God will help him to do more. And when he do more, and then will never be the same again. You can see the progress that have been made in Lagos. Every governor that come, create new roads, more bridges, more rail. Another one come, he add to it, and things are changing. It's so unfortunate that the program we started, Obaseki aborted it. But the beauty of democracy is when an okra tree says it's taller than the people who planted it, when it is time, they will bend it to their level. If you refuse to bend, they will uproot it. So now we go around the whole of their southwest and of their northeast. And God knows, sir, I'm not swearing. Lawrence Uka, we had a meeting with Obaseki. And I said, if you go to Ovia Southwest, what project will you point at? If you go to Northeast, what project? Because nobody is going to vote for you as a city governor on the basis of verbal promise. Because who not do yesterday cannot tell you could do tomorrow. And this is the disagreement that people now say, me and Obaseki dey fight. What are we fighting for? You don't take my wife, I don't take your wife. You like your wife, I like my wife. What I do, but because I choose like guarantor. When people say this man, we don't know him, I say don't worry, you will get to know him at work. Even Honorable Denko, I called him from Canada. He came to Miami. I said, Denko, I'm sorry you fly too far, but this is the man we are supporting for government. And I gave him my reasons that he has worked with me, so he knows the direction, he will continue. But the man aborted it. But sir, no lamentation. The Oba will call us last week. He said, Adams, well, he's so humble Oba, he doesn't come here and say, he always listen. You remember when you mentioned this name, I refused to talk. You came 3 times. I say, I have no comment. And he said, when Oba say he has no comment, you know what his comments are. And then he mentioned, you know, the great betrayal and all that. He said, I go bring Dangote to come and give guarantee. He got up, say, so if Dangote, if the man misbehave, he has to go outside the door to look for Shorty. He said, okay, where is Dangote now? Then he asked me more profoundly. He said, in addition to all the roads, schools and everything you said he will do, you even told me he will maintain the water fountain at Ovorame Square. So where is the water fountain? Just to maintain the water fountain where people go to relax in the evening, they take pictures, simple things, which will make street light of Benin, they are now used for its own political advertising. The night now Benin is as dark as it was before we came. So, God willing, 4 years is a long time, but God that gave the governor to come, to be able to identify the key issues and have the courage to put them down, so that there is no commitment or contract with the Edo people. That God in heaven will enable him, he will give him the enablement so that his heart desires will be translated into practice according to his height. Amen. Thank you very much. Please, thank you very much.
You are welcome. Well then, I'm sorry, My Excellency, Comrade Oshomole. I believe I'm going to speak my language. Apart from that, before any of my speech, I want my people to join me to sing this song. Well, thank you very much. Omani, now we are too hard on me. And when I tire for a time, Arab Vele, Arab Daniel, Arab Yeru, you talk. So come later, Yeru, you talk. The very I know where you talk. Oh, one of him of Yonari, I are Yerune, yes, but I nine. Me ga le no mo da ru nya ri o wa ma ta fa ke na ri ya ba nyo le ma ka le se lo di ma a je ri o no o ke na ka fe lo we no pa la nya na se ge we de mu ni
Maregua erima iya se odo Badi Chama imado mio no yeru musima to ga ma e kwa na ga ma ugani awugami oka awoka we no rudo to wa ya ga ma o wa so wa manuwa omo amanuwa ọwọ́n immediately yẹn nugi bá wa oge o wà yà má o mà yà mímí rí mà bí kí a mà so wa má yà á gùn à ọba àtọ́pẹ́ yìí.
Ẹni mọ ayọ̀ fẹ́ lórí ẹ̀. Iya sọ̀rọ̀ nílẹ̀, iya àrídò, iya àdówó kàmpé, ẹ̀yẹ́ náà lè báyìí sọ iya sọ̀rọ̀ dò. Iya náà lè rẹ̀, iya náà lè àyọ́ yẹ yọ̀mọ́tọ̀, ó lè àyẹ̀rù níyà. Ẹnu ni àríyẹ̀ ní ànàtọ́ ọ̀sùn yà sẹ̀dẹ̀ ní àgbà. Èdè kà ọ̀nà làwọ̀ náà fún yà yọ̀ lòdà sùn dẹ́. Ẹ̀gì àwọn ẹ̀gì àfọ̀n rẹ̀, ẹ̀gì mi dá sùn ìgbé àyèyè. Ìyá àtúntò kí a wà sọ́yà àtúntò kí a wà fún àwọn ẹ̀yà pàwọ́ ní ẹ̀yà sùn wà lóyè ẹ̀dẹ́. Ẹ̀gì àmì ìbòrèbòrè lọ́kọ̀ gbé yàn. Ní àwọn àwùjọ dìrò jẹ́ ní yàn. Èmi ní ẹ̀rẹ̀ bá ní ẹ̀yà náà wíyà rẹ̀ nà zẹ́ nà hẹ́ àwùrẹ̀ on the 19 Burkina. Ọ̀nà wẹ̀ yẹ̀dọ́ ìrùdó yẹ̀dọ́ lè campaign máa wà ní ẹ̀ta mú wa wíyẹn kwàlà zẹ́rì. Lùwàlà họ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà tá ẹ̀rì agbọ̀nyá èmi bọ́ ní ẹ̀rẹ̀ yà yìí vóòtì níbẹ̀dọ́. Ìwọ̀n àwọn ọmọ ìjọba òde ẹ̀ẹ́mí ẹ̀bọ́ yà sẹ̀wà níbẹ̀dọ́. Ọmọ náà wọ̀ ẹ̀rọ máa náà wọ́n yà dọ́rí vóòtì rẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ àrékọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ àrékọ́ sàkínú rí ayé tó ọmọ ìbọ́ yà sẹ̀wà níbẹ̀. Ugbo ya wa mo pati o no mo pati na ma sa yan ka ba o e lu ta na ya fe wa wu o sa lo ba ka ke ni ka no la o n'ọgbẹ́gẹ́ lè wẹ́rì máa yá fẹ́ẹ́fẹ́ n'ọgbọ́ bá dọ̀lẹ̀ dó yí n'ọgbẹ́ ẹ̀dọ́ ya fẹ́ yí kẹ́nẹ̀ dó fẹ́ kìnnà ọ̀rọ̀ mẹ́ ọ̀ àmì bọ́yá mùdí àbá wò wẹ́rì máa ká ẹ̀dọ́ hìn ayé o ọba àwọn àtọ́ ọ ìpẹ̀ wá mọ̀ máa yá fẹ́ lọ́wọ́ rì wọ́n náà tí màá fi tọ́ tí màá pẹ̀ òun wáyé ní wà ń fọ́ o ọgbẹ́ àtọ́ pẹ́
Maleke, back. Honorable, please.
Stop to this one.
Take it down.